Hey guys, so I have here this solar pathway light, and this has stopped working a couple of days ago, and I want to see if we can fix this. So instead of just throwing it away and making this trash, I want to see if we can revive it and see what's wrong with it and potentially fix this. Okay, so the first thing we do is we unscrew here the top portion. All we have to do here is twist it counterclockwise just a little bit, and then we get the top portion off that has here the LED in it. And you see here 3 Phillips screws, so we're going to take those out really quickly, and then let's take off this cover here, and then inside we see a AA battery. This is probably a rechargeable AA battery. So let's have a quick look at this one here. See, so it says it is a rechargeable battery, so maybe this is broken, and then we can replace this really easily with a new rechargeable battery. You can't just use a normal AA battery, that won't work because of the solar panel that's meant to charge this. But first let's have a look at the other components, if there's anything wrong with them. So we have here the mounting bracket for the battery, and there we have here the plate here on the positive side and the spring on the negative side, and we immediately see here that this plate here on the top for the positive side is really badly corroded. It's like really green and yucky, so I'm going to just use a simple piece of sandpaper. I'm going to sand this clean a little bit. I'm rubbing all that corrosion off, and I'm going to also do this with the spring on the opposite side. The spring looks really clean, so I'm not really going to wipe that very much. I'm just making sure in case there's a little bit of corrosion, I'm wiping this off. And also here I'm going to take a look at the battery, and I'm also making sure that this is clean. So right now I'm assuming that the battery is still okay, or may still be okay, so I'm going to put this back in after cleaning those 2 contacts here on the sides of the battery. So we're just going to put this back in, and we're going to give this a try. So we have to let the solar panel charge up the battery a little bit, and then we have to see if the LED was going to light up again. Okay, so I'm going to put the cover back on for now, and also put those 3 screws back in, just assuming that everything will work already. And we're going to try this out by just holding the solar panel against a strong light source. And you see right now already underneath the LED is actually already lighting up. So we already fixed this by just cleaning up those the corrosion by the battery, and pathway light is going to work again. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then leave a message below.